How to view your friends' upcoming birthdays on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can view our friends' upcoming birthday on Facebook. So let's go ahead and look at on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to see your friends' upcoming birthdays on Facebook, it is super easy. After opening up your browser on your PC, and logging into your account successfully, you will be finding the dashboard of the Facebook on your screen. So you may just head over to the search bar and you're gonna type in birthdays there, and after typing birthdays, you will be seeing all your friends' birthdays if they have provided their birthday publicly. And when you go ahead and click on it, here right now my friend Atticus has his birthday in June coming up. So here you may also go ahead and follow the same step and you will be able to know whose birthday is coming up using Facebook application. So therefore follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.